So let us start solving problem number 11 based on speed, time and distance. Right, let us check out this. How much further can a bus go by traveling 80 km per hour rather than at 75 km per hour in 5 hours? Right, so first of all we have to check out if it goes 75 km per hour in 5 hours. So what may be the distance it covers? So then we need to find 80 km per hour in 5 hours. Right? Let us take this as distance 75, distance 80. Then find the difference of these two, you will get the answer. Let us check out this. Right? If it goes, so what we need to find out the distance when the speed of a bus is 75 km per hour, then distance is equal to what? Speed into time, right? What is the speed now? Speed is 75 and time is 5 hours. So how much we are going to get? 7 5 5 is a 25, 5 to carry, 5 7 is a 35 plus 2 37. So 375 km the bus will go if its speed is 75 km per hour. Similar way I am going to find if it is 80 km per hour, then that is speed into time. So speed is what? How much now? 80 km per hour. Time is 5 hours, which is going to be 8 5 is 40, that is 400 km. If the bus travels at 80 km per hour, then it covers 400 kilometers. If it goes with 75 km per hour, then it covers 375 km. Now we need to find the difference, that is 400 minus 375. We are going to get 25 km, right? So if the bus goes at a speed of 80 km per hour rather than 75 km per hour in 5 hours, the difference is going to be 25, that is 25 km further it will move. So the answer here is 25 km.